going on, you guys? Raymond over here, Signature Performance. Just got done with another beautiful Super Duty build. Right behind me is Mike's blue Super Duty. Came out amazing. Just to kind of start it off, because we did a few things here. Ended up doing a 2.5-inch lift on the front of the truck here. Did some lifted coil springs, a track bar relocation bracket. The kit also came with shock extensions, but we got rid of those. Customer wanted to do some Fox 2.0 shocks. Ended up doing those on the front, matching it, doing on the rear as well. These wheels here end up wrapping these Nitto ridge grappers on are the 17x8.5s, the Method 315s with the 0 offset. Mike really wanted to make this truck stand out a little bit, so we selected a certain offset to have these wheels poke out just a little bit. It was definitely the stance that he was looking for, so I was really happy to see that we were able to achieve that for him. Mike also actually ended up wanting to do some steps, so he actually ended up doing some amp steps here. Obviously, since the truck's lifted, he doesn't want to struggle getting in and out of this truck, and I'm sure his wife doesn't either. So we ended up doing that. And then the one last final piece of touch that Mike really wanted to achieve on this truck was give it more of a gritty, rugged sound. So we ended up doing a Borla exhaust, which completely changed the whole truck up, just how it sounded, and truck sounds great. Ended up doing some black chrome tips to complement like the black trimming on the truck, and just the overall sound makes it great. All right, so if you're looking to do a build similar to Mike's or something comparable, whatever it is that you're after, come hit us up over here at Signature Performance. My name is Raymond. More than happy to kind of go over your build and make it happen for you. Just give us a call at 714-850-0060. Thank you so much.